What are you doing, Sarah?
Putting this right all the way in the Christmas tree.
Oh, that's so nice.
Look at where I'm putting it. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Then Santa can look at it.
Yeah. That's fun, huh?
How did this grow?
What happened?
How did this grow?
Did it break?
Yeah. How did it?
Oh, you know, that's an old one. It just broke. We just keep using them, don't we? There goes Kevin and Sarah. Merry Christmas.
Oh, wrong. I'm Santa.
Yeah, you're Santa with your Santa hat.
It looks like a toy.
It does, doesn't it? Those are nice,
I
aren't
just
they?
really want to play with it.
Santa. Jim's working on something over there too. Lynette is looking through the coupons because she's poor and she needs to buy her children some things for Christmas. So we're all working on stuff.
Look it.
What's that?
Oh, I can't find it. It looks like this will come on. Kevin, you can put this airplane on. Oh, thank you.